morning, everybody. It is May 6th, and we are in Earth Science. So, what we want to do today is read our learning target. I want you guys to still try to get that chapter review. It's okay if you guys cannot get it. I understand not everybody has Word, but take notes if you don't. And we're going to be going over our another review today. So I posted a whole nother review on here with a bunch of different slides. This is going to mimic what your test will look like tomorrow. So it's a good idea if you take pictures of these or you write them down. So, our learning target says I can construct an explanation of the relationship between air pressure, fronts, and air masses and how they impact the formation of meteorological events such as thunderstorms and tornadoes. Mini lesson, just try to get that Word document. If you can't, that's okay. Take notes at home. Your work period, you should be watching this video, and all I have is these slides, okay? The slides ask you a question. For instance, in what part of the water cycle do clouds form? Well, then it gives you the answer, condensation. And then in green, it tells you why that is. So why? Water evaporates from the ocean and turns into a gas. That gas forms a cloud of water droplets during condensation. So your answer is condensation. Number 2, what causes changes in weather? Air masses move and meet. Well, why is that? Air masses carry their weather conditions with them. This changes the weather. Number 3, how does a hurricane begin? D, with thunderstorms over the ocean. Why is that? The only way a hurricane can form is as a tropical storm over the ocean first. It needs that water. Number 4, what causes lightning? B, an electrical discharge. Why is that? Positive and negative electrical charges build up in the clouds, and when they come together, boom, they make lightning. Number 5, what tool measures air pressure? A barometer. Why? Well, thermometers measure hot or cold air. A psychrometer measures the humidity. An anemometer measures the wind speed, so that means that a barometer measures the air pressure. Number 6, what kind of weather does a cold front usually bring? Well, it brings stormy weather. Why is that? Well, cold fronts push the hot air out. When the hot air is pushed out, it can form clouds, and that then made stormy weather. Number 7, what is a cloud made of? Water droplets. Why is that? Clouds form during condensation. The gases condense. Oop, my puppy's just barking away, guys. Apologize. Why is that? Clouds form during condensation. The gases condense and form small water droplets. When the cloud gets super heavy, it then rains. So which is safest in a thunderstorm? Staying low on the ground. Why is it safer to stay low on the ground? Well, staying low to the ground keeps you away from wind-blown objects and lessens your chances of being struck by lightning. Number 9, the most common form of precipitation is rain. Why is that? We see way more rain than we do snow or sleet or hail. And number 10, precipitation that is made of balls of ice is hail. Why is that? The water droplets freeze and they grow in the cloud. Eventually, it becomes too heavy and it falls to the earth as balls of ice. Well, that's done, guys. I want you guys to make sure you're remembering these, taking photos of these, because that'll be helpful for your test tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.